Are you looking for some items to decorate your room? Why not get a URPOWER 5 liters Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier now? URPOWER 5 liters Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier uses mature ultrasonic technology with sleek body design, makes humidifier to be not only functional but also decorative. The max mist volume reaching to 350 ml per hours. 5 liters large capacity allows a full night of humidifying. You do not need to wake up in the midnight to add water. Just as we all know, the humidifier emits cool water vapor to add moisture back into the air.